anything that looks good on me, anything that gives me the required comfort is trendy to me. So I'm also not such a person who goes by the diktats of trends all the time, because there are times, everything can't suit everybody. So you have to know yourself completely and be comfortable in what you wear. Loving yourself, accepting yourself, being nice to yourself, not really always putting yourself down or feeling that something about you is bad. I think that's what needs to change in every human being. You need to really be nice to yourself. There could be goals, fitness goals where you want to reach. You need to be the best version of yourself. But for that, you have to begin with loving yourself. I think that's the key to happiness also. Red is my favorite color, always, all time. Even when I got married, I knew that I want to be the conventional bride and I wanted the red. Yes, that also is very Bengali, We have red is very synonymous with our festival, Durga Puja and everything. So red is always been my all-time favorite color. Besides being feminine, there is a warrior in every woman, and you must embrace it. And especially being today's woman, there is always nice to find your own warrior within you all the time.